at this. Zara and Max just traveled through a magical portal to a glowing jungle. Want to learn how to create an exciting animated story like this in Scratch? Stick around and I will show you every step to bring your story to life using simple code blocks. First, let's choose our backdrop. I am going with a garden scene to start the story. Head over to the backdrops section and select a background that fits your story. Next, we need two characters, Zara and Max. You can use any sprites you want, but I am going with these two for my animated story. Now let's begin coding the first part of our story, Zara's dialogue. Select the Zara sprite and go to Events. Drag out the When Green Flag Clicked block. Now go to Looks and use Switch Backdrop to, so we start with a garden backdrop. Next, drag out the Say Hello for 2 seconds block. Instead of hello, write the first line of your story. Zara is going to say, "Look, Max, a magical wand." Okay. Now let's code Max response. Select Max and again go to Events to grab the When Green Flag Clicked block. Use a Wait 2 seconds block so Zara can finish speaking. Then go to Looks and drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds block. Have Max say, "What does it do?" Back to Zara. Use a Wait 3 seconds block from the control category so Max can finish. Then grab another Say Hello block from Looks and have Zara say, "Let's find out." Now, to make the story more dynamic, let's switch scenes. Go to Looks and get a Switch Backdrop to block. Choose a new backdrop like the Noon Tunnel to make it like they have entered a magical space. Now, we want to trigger the next part of the story. Go to Events and get a Broadcast block. Create a new message called Enter Portal. Next, let's bring the magical wand to life. Choose a wand sprite and go to Events. Drag out When Green Flag Clicked and then go to Looks and select Show. This makes the wand visible in the first scene. But we only want the wand to appear in the garden. So go to Events again and grab When I Receive Enter Portal. Under that, go to Looks and drag out the Hide block. Now the wand will disappear when they enter the magical tunnel. Now let's move to the tunnel scene where Zara and Max react to the glowing portal. Go to Zara and drag out When I Receive Enter Portal from Events. Use a Wait 1 second block and then a Say Hello for 2 seconds block from the Looks category. Have Zara say, "Wow, look at that glowing portal." After that, add another Wait 2 seconds block and have Zara ask, "Should we go in?" Now go to Max and drag out When I Receive Enter Portal. Use a Wait 6 seconds block so Zara finish first. Then grab the Say Hello for 2 seconds block and have Max say, "Let's do it then." Let's add the magical portal effect. Select a portal sprite. I am going to use the ball sprite as a portal. Go to events and drag out when green flag clicked. Then go to looks and drag hide to make sure the portal is hidden at first. Now we want the portal to appear in the tunnel. So grab when I receive enter portal and add a show block from the looks category. Then same in the looks category, get a set the size to 0% so it starts small. Go to control category and get a repeat 10 block and inside it drag change size by 10 from the looks category. This gives the portal a cool glowing effect, making it feel magical. To give the story more life, let's add some background music. Select the backdrops and go to events. Drag out when green flag clicked and then grab a forever loop from the control category. Inside that, add play sound until done from the sound category. Go to sound tab, then choose sound, loops and pick your favorite background music and choose the sound you just added. Our story will have continuous music playing in the background now. Want to keep the story going? Add new scenes just like we did. Use different backdrops, sprites, and broadcast new messages to create as many chapters in your animated story as you want. For example, for example, you can have them enter a jungle or explore a haunted castle with the same steps, backdrops, dialogues, and simple coding. You can create a whole series of animated story with Scratch. And there you have it. You just created a magical animated story using Scratch. Want more tutorials like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to see the full code for this story, comment below and I will drop a link. See you in the next video for more fun Scratch tutorials.